Ain't got no girl. She dropped me like a rock. But says, she still loves me. Last week, my dog ran away, and we ain't found him nowheres. Almost fell on my face, and cut my arm off last week at work. Thought I was going to fall through the roof of that old house. Had to buy me a new hammer. My pickup truck decided that she ain't my girlfriend no more. Nope, she goes and blows a head gasket, and she starts a snorting and a hollering herself into total and complete shutdown mode. The trains don't run no more. Can't leave town. Trapped like a fiddler in spandex. I ain't got nothing to write a poem or song about, unless you call it the blues. All the music in my life has stopped cold turkey. No moonshine, no fiddles. I don't have no tent, and I ain't got me an umbrella. My daddy always told me that there was my star. Life is not about waiting for the storm to pass, but learning to dance in the rain